Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas in advance. I know a lot of people must have done Christmas shoots, they've set up their Christmas tree, but I also know that there are some people out there that cannot afford Christmas tree, or maybe because of one reason or the other, they were not able to do the whole Christmas pajama shoot. But in this video, you are going to be learning how to generate your own with AI. These pictures you are seeing right here, I generated them with AI, and by the time I show you the reference, you'll see that these pictures they look like me perfectly. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. But before we start, before I go into the tutorial proper on how to generate this, there are some things you need to know. There are some things you need to do for you to get the perfect picture so that it's not going to give you another face. Okay, so the first thing is your reference picture, and that's the picture you are going to be using. For my own, this is the reference picture. You can see that is exactly the way you saw it in the previous AI picture. So the first thing you need to do is make sure your picture is close up. Don't go and use picture that are very far away. Make sure it is close up picture. Also, the close up picture you are going to be using, make sure you are facing forward, just like my picture right here. If the picture you are using does not have these two things I just mentioned, the AI will not capture your face, and by the time you generate it, you are going to get another image. That's why a lot of people say, oh, the AI did not get my face, and that's because they are not giving the AI the perfect picture. So the AI could not capture their face and they just get like a random face. Yeah, so just make sure you put these two things in place. After you've done that, like your picture is set, the next thing you are going to do right now is to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Then you are going to download AI Gemini app. So once you download this app, just log in, do the necessary sign up and all of that. So this is what you are going to see after you've done everything. So you are going to click on this plus sign and you can see file, photo, and you click on photo. It's going to take you to your gallery and then you pick the picture you want to use. So after selecting your picture, in this box right here, you are going to paste this prompt there. In the description of this video, I'm going to be putting this prompts there, so just copy it. Then you wait, you just send it and you are going to wait for a few minutes and then you have your picture. Can you see it's right there? In just like 3 to 5 minutes you are done. So you don't need to feel left out. If you've not gotten your Christmas tree, you've not done your pajama shoots, you can easily do this, then post it on Christmas. Yeah, then you tap on the save icon, then you can save it to your gallery. Yeah, so before I end this video, I want to ask a question and I want you to drop it in the comments. Do you think AI is going to replace humans? Like, imagine this picture now. If I post it, no one is gonna know that it is AI until I tell them. So do you think AI can replace humans? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.